Daddy.
Don't put that window down.
Daddy, did you
I almost got a bath. Hey, look, he scrubs the windshield even.
It's cold. Okay, I don't know where you are.
We're an airplaner. All right, so this is not good. Flip was open. My self-leveling system quit working. Press the button. These two are flashing. If you press anything, press that, it throws the code. Jack fault. Oh, what did it say there? Here, we can retract it down. Right front, right rear. Okay. So anyway, that's not good. So I went ahead and called Grand Design, got a code start, or got a work order cart started, and then I called the dealer down in Flagstaff. We're in Page, Arizona. I went down to, we gotta go down there next week. I gotta make an appointment with them yet, but we'll get there. This morning, what I had to do to get out of there is my right rear jack wouldn't come up, so I had to manually pull it up. I had to manually get my screw gun out and manually bring it up so we could get out of there. So, all right, I'll keep you updated what's going on there. All right, Horseshoe Bend, day 2, round 2. We're gonna try it again. Yesterday we had the dogs, didn't work. That little white growly thing, man, he likes to growl at everybody. And there was a lot more people out here than we ever thought of. So that's no good. So, round 2. What was that?
She sucked bugs.
So we're gonna go round 2 and see what we can see tonight. Horseshoe Bend, second time. A lot of foreign people for some reason. I don't know why. I gotta say it. Day 2. We just missed the sunset. Right? Barely. But, oh, it's still cool. Alright, so last night, the girls and the wife went swimming over here in the pool, the RV resort we're at right now in Page, Arizona. It has a pool, okay? So, I was in there doing editing and watching TV, and I'm like, I want to pop. So I came outside to the outside fridge. For some crazy reason, I shut the door, just to walk from there to there. I walked over there, came back, the door's locked. The thing was, the door was locked. Keys inside, what the heck, right? Went around, checked all the windows. I'm out here and I did have my clothes on, pants, and socks, no shoes. I walked around, checked all the windows, all locked. Well, how the heck am I gonna get in? Well, here's how I got in. I had to dismantle a few things, but I got in this way. Here, let me show you. So through the back hatch in this thing. Open up the back, and I broke in right there. I took all the framing out, this top panel, and all this apart, and I crawled through there, right where the girls are pushing on it. And that's where I had to go through. I took all that apart, and I crawled through there to get in. So now, I gotta put it all back together. I'm pretty sure I saved most of it. I only broke this little piece right here. I broke this little, on this little cross member here, but I'm pretty sure I'll be able to unscrew that, or I'll be able to screw that all back together. So, alright. I should leave that, I should put a hatch in there so I can get back in there, but alright, I'm gonna put that thing all back together. Okay, pretty happy on how it turned out. I just gotta get a screw here and a screw here, which I wish I had a brad nailer, and then I just nail it on there. But, crown stapler, something. That's what they had in there, was crown staples. But I've got a screw there, and put it all back together. She's good to go. All right, fix the newel post. What dam is this? Carl Hayden Dam and Bridge. Oh, I thought you were measuring something with your feet. You getting the waviness?
Copying me?
Yeah, I'm copying you. I'm doing everything you do. Girls, what you doing? What you doing up there?
Trail is here for a reason. I don't like trail.
We found something cooler.
Rock climbing.
This rock is pretty cool though. Look at it.
We're trying to get to the new wave. So if we take a left here, it should take us to the new wave.
The new wave. Where's the old wave?
The new wave.
Oh, well, if there's a new wave, there should be an old wave. Of course I made it up here. What are you guys doing down there?
Mama said I can't go up.
No, it's really slippery.
Yeah.
I haven't really thought it through how I'm getting down. While I'm up here, I might as well take a view of something. Take a 360. We're parked down there somewhere. That way. Huh?
Did you think about how you're gonna get down?
No. Up's easy. Down's the hard part. Down's usually where I break cameras. You gonna put your name on it? No, because you can't reach that high. They must have stood on that little ledge right there.
You can't. Look at here, sand.
It's slippery.
No, this is the same stuff we wrote our names on.
Look how cool that rock is. Look at the colors in it. What are you guys doing? Stretching on top of a rock?
Take a picture.
Oh,
I can't hold this for very long.
you're supposed to take a picture, not a video.
1, 2, 3. There we go. Ow. I suck. You're not even doing it, Audrey.
You're stuck? She's cheating. Audrey cheated. Emma, stand up. She can't.
You'll oversplit.
She's wedged.
Now roll backwards onto your back. There we go.
Now stand up.
My legs are sore.
She survived. Alright, this is the New Wave Trail. We were over on that ridge. Are we on the right one now? Oh, here's the trail. Right here, it goes this way. We've got a choo-choo train. Rolling. Could you imagine taking a horse and buggy across this train? Huh? No? What are you, mute? We're gonna call this the toilet bowl. Look at it, it swirls all the way down in it.
We go around it, go like going into the toilet bowl.
You're gonna be a turd.
I gotta keep down first.
Now if you run around in a circle really fast.
Mama made it up.
If you thought the other toilet bowl was good, check this one out.
I want to go in it.
You won't get back out.
Hey, you go right there.
Oh yeah. That's where the water swished out after it was full.
No, it was sand. How am I supposed to get down there?
Climb. Slide on your butt.
No.
Yeah, it's right there. And there's our vehicle. Oh, we made it. Well, we're almost there. How many miles? 2.2.
2.20.
2.2 miles. Minus a little bit for walking around this morning, so let's just call it 2 miles. Look at them law-abiding citizens. They took the trail. We cut across there. So they probably did walk 2.2 miles. We cheated a little. What's the name of this hike? What is this?
This is Beehive Trail leading to the New Wave and the scenic overlook.
Beehive Trail. Just
Across
north.
from the Beehive campground.
Just north of.
It's on the Google Maps
On the Google Maps.
by the dam.
North of, we're getting lost here, talking at the same time. If I can spit it out, I'll tell you. There's an airplane. It's loud. What town are we north of?
Page.
Page, Arizona. Okay. Audrey thinks she's faster than us. She took a shortcut. Emma,
Yeah?
why did she take a shortcut?
If she's slow and she wants to do this.
Look at her. She's gonna beat us to the truck. And I guess there's boondocking out here. They got a couple sites out here. Looks like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 sites right across the road where you park to go on that hike.